Today I'm attempting to rebuild the engine on this car in 1 hour 30 minutes. Let's see how that goes. Sure. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see here, I'm just cleaning up the block, getting it ready to put the head back. Let's go. Okay guys, this is the brand new head gasket. This is the exhaust manifold. These are your hydraulic lifters. These are the rollers. What are these? These are your rockers. Your tapered cover, camshaft, cylinder head. So the cylinder head was skimmed. I'll show you now. Turn the head there, upside down. No other way around. It was skimmed, you see. So they just resurfaced it, but that's done. And then now we're going to put it in.
The 1 hour 30 minutes starts now.
Here I'm just putting grease onto the block and also onto the gasket. It's just for extra sealant, just to prevent rust and stuff like that on the gasket. That's the new gasket over there.
Oh yeah, look. Oh, my leg.
So you found some help here to come on the picture?
If you want to hold, you can hold it.
Okay.
This is the wrong box. Today I'm the cameraman. I'm not shooting you, man. Tie, isn't you want to tie? Yeah. Faster one. So now, once these are done, we're just gonna have to chop them.
Yeah.
What I think, and then how much time are we left with? I'm gonna check. We're left with 1 hour 23 minutes. There's still a lot. The head is already done. Wait. I'm just gonna show your hands. Let's go. 90 degrees each. Seeing that we don't have the top. How many minutes are we left with? 1 hour 19.
We'll talk really.
We don't have a top range. All of them 90 degrees. Here we're just tying the head bolts, and then I got my brother to help me torque them. You did this one. I'm running a school now.
Yeah.
Junkyard Concepts. What is it? It's not a military school. It's a
Mechanical school.
No, it's a mechanical. It's a technical school. Yeah, we're done with those. Now I'm tying up the exhaust manifold. I've already put the gasket. I'm tying up the last few bolts. Once I finish with that, I can be able to put the intake back and fasten the bolts for the intake as well. But apart from that, everything went smoothly. Nothing broke, nothing was short, and everything worked out well. Please guys, if you've made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video for more. Okay, my intake is in, exhaust manifold is in. I'm just gonna put the injectors in, then I can put the lifters, rockers, put the camshaft, set the timing, and we're done. But my next move right now, I want to put back the thermostat housing, and we're done that side. Time, still got a whole lot of time. I think I'm gonna finish in the next 30 minutes, but let's try and see. I'm putting my lifters now. How these work is that you can these lock onto your valves here and onto the lifter, and then once that is locked there, the camshaft sits here. So every time you turn, if you look on your camshaft, you've got these lobes. So every time it turns onto the thing, onto the rollers here, it pushes the valve to open and close depending on the position that this is on. So that are your rockers and your camshaft. This is your cam seal, and then it seals the camshaft. Okay, this is a tapered cover. This sits here just above the cam, that holds the cam into place. And then this is a cam sensor. This senses the position of your camshaft here. If you check, it's different at the back here. That runs off that. It reads here. Okay. Let me do this and we'll take it from there. It's all prepped. You check silicone, everything.
Ready for fitment.
Let me put it now. Alright, it's all in. Okay, tapered cover is in, and we are now at 43. What's left? And next I must put the injectors into place. I must just tie those two, put the water pipe on top, then I can come to the timing. Advantage is not that tricky, but it will be done just now. I can say we're about 70% done, then we can get it starting. Let's go. Okay guys, now we are doing the timing. So if you look there, that gear there is a crank gear, and if you look at the teeth, you can see that the middle one is not the same here at the end. All the others are straight, but this one's a bit curved. So that's your crank gear mark, and that has to line up with that line over there. I'll try just a bit to line up with that line. And that's TDC. And if you check up here, the piston is right at the top. That thing you see in that flat surface there is the piston. If you check here, you see, if you look here, piston is not at the top, but there it's right at the top. That's TDC. You can also check like this. For those of you who don't know what TDC is, you can pause the video. Okay, this is the camshaft mark. Here it is, and it has to be in line with this thing. So that's it. Then you can put the belt. The tensioner is down there, so I've already tensioned it. What I do is put the coil pack and the spark plugs, and then we can start it up. We are at 33 minutes. Okay. Right now I'm tying the coil pack back onto the head, and then I'm gonna put the spark plugs back. With the spark plugs back in, I can then put the bogey codes in the positions that they should be. And from there, I think everything is done. We can get it started. Okay guys, everything is in now. Bogey cords in, coil pack in, everything is plugged in. We're putting water now so we can start it. The battery is in. Also want to check if there's no leaks or anything. But so far there isn't. So now let's get it starting. It's fine. Start there. Start. You're done. Hey, hey. Let's have kick. Alright, it's starting. Idling fine. Let's see. So far it sounds fine, but I still have to change the oil. I'm just waiting for it to warm up and see what happens, because I want to see if the temperature passes 90 degrees and I want to hear the fan kicking. But apart from that, everything is fine. Sounds fine, no funny noises or anything. Let me switch this. Idling smooth. So far it's at 90. If it passes, then we've got a problem, but everything is fine. This one, that's part of the car. Alright. Everything is fine. It's quiet, no funny noises. Now all that's short is it needs to be washed. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Your support is highly appreciated. Work on the golf will come in the next video. Thanks.